Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today we are going to wrap some Christmas presents, but we are going to do it sustainably. This time of year is chaos for packaging, rubbish, etc. So I thought we could do a video and share some tips on how to wrap your presents a bit more sustainably. So I hope you get some inspo from the video, and do let me know if you try any of these. First up, we have some loo rolls. These are great if you are gifting gift cards. Also, don't worry, I know I've used toilet rolls before in videos and I've decoupaged them, and a few people had concerns about, hygiene. Totally understandable. Give these a spritz of some essential oils. So you can use tea tree and essential oils that are really good to kill bacteria. So you can spritz them and let them dry before you use, and they will kill any bacteria. You simply just fold these and then you can add whatever decorations you want. I didn't paint them because I'm not too sure if you paint these, I don't think they're recyclable anymore, so I left them in their natural state. Next up, I have something that we all have in our presses. I thought it would be fun to recycle a jar and use it to make a little kind of beauty jar. So I simply popped in a little bit of feather trimming that I had in my fabric stash, and then I popped in some beauty minis, and then I just popped in some cinnamon stick and orange peels and a little bow. I am the worst when it comes to wrapping, and I love the idea of gift bags, but these gift bags, they're not really good for the environment because they have kind of like foil and you kind of have to separate them to recycle. So I am making a fabric sack. I simply folded over the fabric. I measured down 3 inches. This is going to leave a tunnel for the drawstring. I stitched up the sides and I just made sure to leave that gap on top because we are now going to form it into the funnel, which you'll see how now. Once you have your funnel stitched, you will then put through your string to make the drawstring. So you can just put a pin on the string. You'll see me do that now in a second. I love the idea of these sacks because you can put all the gifts in them, have a rummage. I am also really bad at wrapping, so it's actually easier for me to sew a fabric bag than it is to probably sit and wrap presents. But these are just a great idea. You can also completely reuse these. I love these for when I'm going on holidays because it's great to pop, runners or trainers in. So completely can be reused again. That's why I went for fabric that wasn't so festive. I used just a simple flower fabric so I could reuse it. Another thing you can make from some fabric scraps is a bag for bottles. So whether it's a wine bottle or a gin bottle, whatever it is you're making, you can make cute bags which can then be reused for something else. I simply just hemmed the top, pinned it and stitched the sides up, and literally you have this little pouch. You can then reuse it as a little travel pouch or little storage bag, or you can just reuse the fabric for something else. But I really like this as an idea for wrapping bottles. So lastly, it's just a little tip to use some brown paper. You can also use newspaper or old magazines, and you can just style it however you wish. So I hope you enjoyed that. Next week, ladies, I am happy to report we are going to a Christmas market. So next week's video is going to be a cozy travel vlog. It's rare that I get to get time off this time of year because December is the busiest month, but my boss was able to give me 2 days off together. So I am headed off to Germany, which I'm so excited about. I've never been, and we are gonna go to a Christmas market. So if you want to, you can, if you go to my Instagram when this video is up, I will be in Germany, so you can like get a little preview, or if not, you can catch the vlog next week. So I would love your Christmas market tips. That'd be great. So is there anything I should kind of keep my eye out for? Anything kind of, you know, worth collecting or places to see? I'm just excited for mulled wine, if I'm being fair. So that's it for me this week. Do let me know if you have any other sustainable gift wrapping ideas, and if you are going to give this a try and cut down on your wastage this Christmas. I know I am definitely being more conscious when it comes to things like this and wrapping and what can be recycled and what can't. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you all in next week's one. Bye!